homework of December 8th is to work on 7.7, and I choose to work on number 2, which is evaluate the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative 0.4x dx, and then sketch the area that it represents. So first we have this here. We want to write it in a limit form so that we can actually have something, a variable, say limit of as b approaches infinity, to replace the infinity up there. So integral of 0 to b e to the negative 0.4x dx, and then integrate this thing. So you have limit of b to infinity. You have negative over here 2.5 because it's the reciprocal, times e to the negative 0.4x, same thing, and then evaluate it from 0 to b. And then just to simplify that again, right, we have this thing times negative 3.5, it remains e to the negative 0.4b minus e to the negative 0.4 times 0. So you have 2.25 in the front times limit as b approaches infinity, e to negative 0.4b minus this thing equals 0. So e to the 0 is 1, right? So you would have this minus 1. And as you see over here, as this thing approaches, as b approaches infinity, this thing approaches 0. So if that approaches 0, then we're only left with negative 2.5 times negative 1, which will give you 2.5. So this is actually the answer to the problem. And the area that it represents is over here. You can draw out e to the negative 4x as a negative slope, so it looks something like this. And then there is a horizontal asymptote in which it goes to, and that is where y equals 2.5. And all the area that we're talking about, here is everything from 0 to infinity. There's not that much of a great drawing, but this is the area that it represents. So that is it for number 2 of 7.7.